Transcription and annotation project globally, it's an end-to-end opportunity by Lionbridge. Now, I'm going to walk you through how to apply for this job. And afterwards, check the link in the comment section. You'll be able to just click on it and then apply. But let me walk you through how to apply it the right way so that you don't make mistakes. And I wish you all the best in your application journey. Now, first of all, you need to understand the details about this job before you apply, okay? Because there are some key responsibilities that you need to know, and then see if you have the ability to do this and the skills as well. Now, we are looking to onboard transcribers to support a range of upcoming audio processing projects. This role focuses on converting audio, that's the keyword, converting audio into accurate written text with opportunities to contribute to annotation tasks depending on project needs. Yeah, so I'm also going to show you, maybe towards the end of this video, I will show you how to use AI to convert some of these audios into text. Okay, now key responsibility of this job is transcribe audio files into clear, well structured text, work with a variety of audio types including single speaker recordings, podcast, multi-speaker. Now let's look at task types. Transcription task, that's the remote opportunity, and then you're going to see the different transcription tasks you will do. Then annotation types, project independent, and then this is the requirement, very important. Now look at it here, very high proficient in American English, okay, good written English, strong listening and comprehension skills, ability to follow detailed instructions and guidelines. Then previous transcription or annotation experience is a plus but not required. Now availability, you need to have at least 4 hours of availability, maybe 4 hours daily, required during scheduled transcription. Okay, not daily, but during the time that is scheduled for transcription shift. Then project details, you're going to see all that here. Now, what you want to do here is click on apply for this job if you meet these requirements. Okay, click on apply this job here, and it will take you down to the page where you're going to put your resume. Now look at it here. I have talked about this in our remote job kit. You need to get it. If you haven't get it, you are missing a lot, because some of these things, it makes it easier for you, especially this aspect of CV, your resume. This is the first impression you are making on an employer. Your resume is the first impression. And if you don't have a good resume that is US standard, US job marketplace standard, you might find it difficult to get a remote job, especially from tier 1 countries like the US, UK. It's going to be difficult. So please get that toolkit. It's very important. Get it, please. Now, here you put your CV, your resume, your first name, email, phone number, not necessary. Just the ones that have asterisks are necessary. But I will also say, if you have answers to all the boxes, please tick them. Okay, it will put you ahead of other people who are also filling this form, right? If you have answers to all these, just put them. But of course, provide the ones that you can. Now, these are additional questions. Are you 18 years of age or older? Now, you can just click on yes, because this job can only be for those 18 and above. Please describe your level of written and spoken English. Yeah, so describe it. And then which other language do you speak at native level? You can select it here. Just choose any of these and then select it based on what you know, right? Then you can come back here, and then which other language do you speak at professional level? Select it also here. And then in which country are you currently residing? Select it here as well. Now you're going to see that it's a global job, so don't be afraid. Your country will be listed here, right? It's global. Then after everything, why are you interested in this opportunity? Please, you answer short and in your own words, okay? So you put why you are interested in this opportunity, and then just take your time, go through it. Take your time, go through it. And if you have our kit, you will be able to know that there are some prompts that you would need, some prompts that will get you this. Because, hey, this is where a lot of us either get remote jobs or will lose it, because when they ask you why you're interested, you begin to realize what doesn't make sense. But in the remote job kit, there are prompts that you can simply use, and it will give you the exact words to say. Just put in the opportunity and the name of the opportunity, and to give you the exact thing. Okay. And then after everything, just scroll down and then you can see a place to submit. Okay. So take your time to go through this application, then submit this application. But make sure you accept this and then submit it. And hopefully they might call you if you qualify for this job. All right. Now remember, there is no guarantees that they're going to call you, because you're not the only one applying for this. There are thousands of people who are applying for this job. Now, what distinguishes you is your CV, number one. What's on your CV, number one, and then also what you say here. Okay, what you say here too matters a lot. Where is that place where they said, tell us? Okay. Please briefly describe a transcription QA, okay, question and answer annotation, linguistic review project you have worked on. That's also your experience, which is part of your resume. All right. So, guys, take your time, go through this application page, and I wish you all the best in this. Thank you, and I will see you later on.